Hey everybody, it's Matt at the Bucks 3D Expo here with Rob from Allegheny Education Systems. Rob, why don't you tell me about what you guys have at the booth and what you do?
Yeah, sure. Hi, I'm working with Allegheny and I'm a field service technician. My job is actually installing and actually repairing these machines as they're out in the field. We service educational facilities and makerspace classrooms. This is actually our entry-level Markerbot. So this is an FDM machine that's using a ABS filament with a support material. Currently we have a part that if you were down with the other booth that was scanned, the manifold, the gray piece,
awesome.
We're here printing at about 40% scale. So on top we have an example of the Eiffel Tower that was printed by the carbon fiber material that we have in the higher end model.
Awesome. So you guys will install the printer, support it for its period of time, what have you, and come and do those repairs, and you're the guy.
Yes, I'm one of 8 technicians.
Awesome.
So we are out there in the field servicing Pennsylvania, Jersey, and New York. So we're looking at 40 plus pieces of equipment in the makerspace area. 3D happens to be one of our areas,
yeah.
CNC and also laser engraving. The other thing that we're doing is training. So we're working with teachers, trying to figure out what their curriculum is, adaptation to how to put this in the classroom, and also if their students are there, training them as well. So it's kind of train-the-trainer model when they're on site.
That's great. Rob, thank you so much for coming out to the Bucks Expo.
Thanks so much.